Funny thing when you finally set a boundary. Instead of feeling free, your mind actually gets louder. I know you didn't see that one coming. You thought you gave peace, but all you ended up getting was fog. Why is it that after protecting your time, you still can't focus? If this is you, no, you are not losing your mind. What's happening is normal, and there's a way through. Stick with me for a 3-step reset that you're sure to be able to do anywhere, anytime. Here's what I mean. You finally say no to the project, or maybe you stop bending over backwards for someone. And then you find yourself suddenly replaying the conversation. Did I do too much? Or are they feeling some kind of way? Are they upset? Am I being selfish? All of that mental noise, that's what's stealing your focus. You protected your time, but your nervous system didn't get the memo. It missed the boat. The bus drove away. It's not clicking. For years, you have trained your system to equate yes with safety. Keeping the peace kept you out of conflict, out of disappointment, out of being judged. So now you start saying no, and your brain is on high alert still. It's like, what are we doing? Wait, are we safe? Did we miss something? That's why the fog sets in. It's not a weakness that you're sensing, it's a withdrawal that you're sensing. You're basically detoxing from people pleasing. And for an easy way to put it, like any detox, it feels uncomfortable before it feels freeing. So if you can't focus right now, don't think of it as a failure. Think of it as proof that you're healing. This is the part that we often miss. It's that focus doesn't return the moment you set a boundary. Although we'd like it to be instantaneous gratification. But it comes when you teach your body that rest, peace, and space are safe places. Focus is built on safety, and you can't think clearly if your nervous system still thinks it's in trouble. So let's talk about how to build that safety back in your real life without us having to resort to old habits. So this is why I use what I call the 3R reset ritual. It's not for productivity. It's just a way to recenter after you've protected your time. Okay? The 3 R's are simple: release, refocus, and realign. The release part is a physical letting go of the tension. That can mean stretching, breathing exercises, journaling, visiting loved ones, or just even whispering out loud, I release this. You can't think your way out of tension. You can think of solutions, but you have to move it out. You have to produce an action. And then that takes us to the refocusing part. Once we've opened ourselves, released that tension, open the doors, now gently you want to bring your attention back to a grounding aspect. Whether that's prayer or reading some inspirational words, whatever small action that connects you back to the present moment, that's what we're looking for in this refocus stage. You're not forcing clarity, you're inviting it in. And then lastly, you realign. And ask yourself, does this choice, does this action match who I am becoming? That question realigns the focus to your faith, to your values, and ultimately to your peace. That's how you turn the fog into fuel. That's where we're headed next. So if today you're carrying that fog, let it be your teacher. Notice it, pay attention, obtain the data that's necessary, look for the sources. Why can't you rest? Why can't you refocus? Why can't you get your clarity? Ask yourself, what part of me is trying to keep me safe? That's your doorway back to a hallway of clarity. God willing, I'll see you next week.